Umentri ketonat kakot kakia ba AL hek hene kesengi ulalai banjurib ya kajing penkre na kabenta ka jaka sumar ekiba pang COVID ha sauli TB hospital harengkat kajing edon lang u DHS ki hek ketonat kakot kakia bat kiwei. Hakani kajing jurib umentri ulai to bawat la ketika TB hospital kadi kabangyam tang kumbasi spa jing thia Henry ken persang ban penbiang sho san po jing thia khnang bakin yo sedang no ban pediang hinong pang ban wan sha sumar.
And according to the DHSMI and also official of the health department yesterday, when we discussed with them, they told it will be ready 50 beds with all the facilities, with the oxygen facilities and other facilities, will be ready today evening for 50 beds. So that's COVID hospital, the new COVID hospital. It is meant for 100 beds. And 50 beds will be ready now. So we are going to start immediately with 50 beds and continuing with the remaining 50 beds to complete 100 beds soon. But to make it functional, for benefit of the people, those are suffering from the COVID, those having this symptomatic, it can be admitted in this new COVID hospital at Saudi. To health department, they are preparing, and tomorrow also in the afternoon at 12:30, along with the district magistrate, the DC, the officials of the health department, DHSMI, we are going for the inspection of the another new COVID hospital to make preparations. Tomorrow there at Umrah MCH hospital. After the inspection, if it is feasible to convert temporarily to the COVID hospital, that also will be the next new COVID hospital for 50 beds. So this is the preparations been doing from the health department and the government. And also